Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 5. We present Genetic Conservation Plans of Bornean Orangutan, also known as Pongo Pygmaeus. Okay, this is our group member. So first is Muhammad Aiman Durani, second is me, Muhammad Alif, and lastly Nurina Izzati. Okay, so this is our table of content representing chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and lastly the reference. The Bornean orangutan belongs to the genus Pongo and is classified under the family Hominidae. This species plays a vital role in maintaining the health of tropical ecosystem. However, it faces significant threats due to human activities, especially habitat destruction. Our rationale for genetic conservation is critically endangered status. The Bornean orangutan is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN with a rapidly declining population. The habitat destruction and the fragmentation due to the logging and the expansion of the palm oil plantation have been the key contributors to these declines. And second is ecological roles. Orangutans are essential for ecosystem health. As seed disperser, they help maintaining forest biodiversity by facilitating the growth of the diverse plant species, thus contributing to the regeneration to tropical forests in Borneo. Number third, dependency on forests. These orangutans rely on extensive, continuous and pristine forests for survival with habitat loss. Their chances of long-term survival diminish significantly. And fourth, genetic erosion due to their small, fragmented population. Bornean orangutan face genetic erosion and this limits their ability to adapt to environmental changes, making genetic conservation effort crucial for ensuring their survival. And lastly, conservation significant is conserving the Bornean orangutan is not only about protecting a species but also about preserving the ecosystem. They help maintain effective conservation strategies will protect both the orangutan and the biodiversity of tropical forests.
For in situ conservation, the first one is habitat protection and restoration. This means habitat restoration, safeguarding important orangutan habitats from deforestation and human encroachment by designating and enforcing protected areas. As for habitat restoration, this means repairing degraded habitat by planting native trees and plant species to ensure food supply and shelter. For the second in situ conservation, we should make anti-poaching and law enforcement. This means enhancing patrolling and monitoring efforts in and around protected areas to reduce poaching, illegal hunting and trading. Another point is community education. This means that we can educate local communities about conservation efforts and the benefit of protecting wildlife through campaigns and engaging the community to help in the conservation. For the third and last in situ conservation, which is genetic diversity monitoring, we can use non-invasive genetic studies by collecting hair and feces sample to assess the genetic diversity of orangutan population. This can give us inbreeding insight by using genetic studies to identify potential inbreeding issues and manage genetic diversity. Wildlife corridor can also be used to connect fragmented habitats and facilitate breeding. For ex situ conservation for orangutan, the first one is captive breeding program. The main objective for this is to maintain genetic diversity. The method used is to capture and breed the orangutan in protected areas such as zoos and then releasing them back to the wild. The impact from this is it can ensure high genetic diversity for orangutan. The second one is research and education. The main objective for this is keeping the knowledge about orangutan updated. This method utilize research center and share data among research facilities. The impact from this type of research and education center, it can provide valuable insight toward orangutan conservation in the future.
Technologies required. First, genetic monitoring, genome sequencing to evaluate genetic diversity and detect potential inbreeding. Cryopreservation, long-term storage of genetic material for breeding purpose. Second, Geography Information System (GIS) map critical habitats and track orangutan population, and also to identify deforestation hotspot for target forestation. Third is artificial reproductive technologies. Use artificial insemination to improve genetic diversity in captive population, and also to apply advanced techniques such as somatic cell nuclear to transfer for future genetic restoration. Last but not least, surveillance technologies. Deploy drones and oil-based tools to monitor habitats and detect threats such as poaching or illegal logging.
This is the reference we use for. That's all from us. Thank you.